Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Chill English channel, where learning English is easy and calm. I'm Sophia.
Hello, Sophia. Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is so good to be here with you today.
It is wonderful to see you, Jake. You look very focused today.
I am very focused, Sophia. I am excited to help everyone start their English journey with a clear plan.
Ooh, a plan. That sounds organized and helpful. What is this plan about?
Well, we have designed a 3-month English plan for beginners. It is structured to give consistent daily practice across listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
That sounds very practical. So, in month 1, what should our listeners focus on?
In the first month, you must build a strong foundation. That means focusing on confidence and the basics. Simple words, basic sentences, and clear pronunciation.
So, you are saying that even if someone knows only a few words, they can still start?
Exactly. You must start where you are and grow from there. Beginners often worry about mistakes, but month 1 is all about practice, not perfection.
Okay, so daily practice is key. What should a listener do every day?
Every day, you must spend 15 to 30 minutes learning vocabulary. You can use flashcards or apps like Quizlet or Anki. Pick words that are useful in daily life.
And you must also spend 30 minutes on grammar, focusing on present and past tenses. Simple sentences like, I eat breakfast or I went to the park are perfect.
Listening is very important too. You must spend 30 minutes every day listening to simple English. Podcasts like BBC 6-Minute English are perfect because they're short and clear.
But Jake, what if I do not understand everything I hear?
That's okay. You must not try to understand every word. Your brain is still learning even when it hears only parts of the conversation. Over time, comprehension grows naturally.
And speaking is just as important, right?
Absolutely. You must practice speaking for 30 minutes every day. Even if it's only to yourself, talk about your day, your meals, or what you see around you.
So if I say, I drink water or I go to school, that counts?
Yes. Every sentence you say helps your brain and your mouth get used to English. Repetition is key.
What about writing? Should beginners start writing too?
Definitely. You must write short diary entries once a week. 3 to 5 sentences about your day are enough. You can describe what you ate, where you went, or what you enjoyed.
And is there any feedback in this first month?
Yes. You must get feedback if possible, either from a tutor or even an AI tool. Knowing what to improve early will save a lot of time later.
So, month 1 is about daily vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking practice, weekly writing, and reviewing everything.
Exactly. And with these steps, you'll finish the first month feeling confident and ready for more challenging exercises in month 2.
And that's exciting, because it shows progress. Month 1 may feel simple, but it's the base for everything that comes next.
Yes, the foundation is very important. You must start small, be consistent, and gradually your brain will adapt to English every day.
So, in summary, month 1 is about daily vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking practice, weekly writing, and reviewing everything.
Exactly. And with these steps, you'll finish the first month feeling confident and ready for more challenging exercises in month 2.
Now for your second month, you must take your English learning to the next level. This month is all about expanding your skills and speaking more fluently.
Yes, Sophia. Month 2 is where things get exciting. You must start using longer sentences, practicing complex grammar, and really speaking in real conversations.
That sounds challenging, but fun. So, Jake, what should our listeners do every day in month 2?
First, you must continue with vocabulary, but now it is more focused. You must choose words related to your life, your hobbies, your work, things you talk about every day, and also learn common idioms that native speakers use.
And grammar gets more advanced. You must practice using perfect tenses, modals, and more complex sentence structures. Sentences like, I have been learning English for 2 months, or I should speak more every day are perfect examples.
Listening changes too. You must not just hear English, you must shadow it. Repeat sentences immediately after you hear them. Try to copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, even the pauses.
Shadowing sounds a little funny at first, but it really helps. You must practice like this every day for at least 30 minutes. Your brain starts connecting the sounds with meaning naturally.
And speaking is the biggest change this month. You must speak every day for 30 to 60 minutes. You can use apps like Tandem or HelloTalk, talk with a tutor, or practice with a friend.
You must also start storytelling. Describe what happened in your day or summarize a movie you watched. It does not have to be perfect. You just must practice forming longer sentences.
Recording yourself is important too. You must do it once a week for 3 to 5 minutes. Listen carefully. You will notice mistakes and areas for improvement that you might not realize when speaking live.
Another great exercise is describing pictures, objects, or scenes. You must look at something and talk about it in English. For example, the cat is sitting on the sofa. It looks very comfortable.
You must also try longer conversations. Even 5 to 10 minutes is enough at first. The goal is to make English a natural part of your daily life, not something you only study on paper.
And when you hear a new word, you must repeat it aloud and make at least one sentence with it. Amazing, you can say, the movie was amazing, or it is amazing to learn English. Doing this multiple times trains your brain to remember it faster.
Thinking in English is another big step. You must try to describe your thoughts as they happen, instead of translating from your native language. For instance, while making tea, you could say, I'm boiling water. I put the tea bag in the cup. I'm waiting 2 minutes.
Writing is also still very important. You must write short summaries of episodes, movies, or personal experiences. 3 to 5 sentences are enough, but you must read them out loud after writing to improve pronunciation and fluency.
Listening must become slightly faster too. You must try podcasts or short videos at normal speed. Even if you only understand half, your brain will gradually catch meaning from context, and that is how fluency grows.
And at the end of the week, you must review everything you practiced. Listen to your recordings, read your diary entries, repeat new words, and notice how much you improved.
That is very motivating. You must see the difference between week 1 and week 4. Even small improvements build confidence.
So in month 2, you must combine everything you did in month 1 with these new challenges. Vocabulary, grammar, listening, speaking, writing, shadowing, and thinking in English. All must work together.
And mistakes are normal. You must not be afraid. Every mistake is proof that you are practicing and growing.
By the end of month 2, you must feel more fluent, more confident, and more natural when speaking. You will be able to have short conversations, use different tenses, and explain simple ideas without stopping to translate.
And you must track your progress. Compare your recordings, see which words you have learned, and notice which grammar points still need work.
Month 2 is also when you notice real progress. You must feel like English is becoming part of your daily life, not just something you study.
Yes, exactly. And this will prepare you for month 3, where you must apply English in real-life situations, speak confidently, and even hold small debates or interviews.
So month 2 is about expanding your skills, practicing fluency, and preparing for real communication. You must work consistently, make mistakes, repeat words and sentences, and challenge yourself every week.
If you do all of this, by the end of month 2, you must be ready for real-world English, and month 3 will be all about confidence and natural speech.
And that is very exciting because you will notice how much you have improved. Your brain will start forming English sentences automatically, and speaking will feel easier.
Yes, month 2 is the bridge between beginner basics and real-life communication. It is challenging, but if you are consistent, the progress is amazing.
And next, we will explain month 3, where you must take everything you've learned and use it in real situations, gaining confidence and speaking naturally without hesitation. And the third month, you must take everything you learned in the first 2 months and start using English in real-life situations.
Yes, Sophia, this month is all about confidence, natural speech, and applying your skills. You must speak more, think more, and really challenge yourself.
So, Jake, what does a daily routine look like in month 3?
You must start with speaking. Every day, you must spend at least 1 hour speaking. Talk with a tutor, a partner, or even a friend. You must hold small debates, role plays, or discussions.
And listening still continues. You must spend around 30 minutes listening to real-world English, like TED Talks, documentaries, or news without subtitles. This trains your brain to understand natural speech.
Writing is still part of your practice, too. You must spend 30 minutes writing daily. Emails, blog posts, or even short opinion pieces. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English.
And the goal is not just repeating sentences. You must think in English and express your ideas naturally. For example, instead of translating from your native language, describe your day or your opinion as it comes to your mind.
Weekly tasks get more challenging. You must practice spontaneous speaking on random topics. Pick something simple, like describe your favorite food, or what would you do on a holiday, and speak for 2 to 3 minutes.
And you must do mock interviews. Pretend you are in a job interview or answering questions for a school project. This helps you stay calm and think quickly in English.
Summarizing complex ideas is another key skill. You must take a movie, news article, or documentary and explain it in your own words in 3 to 5 sentences. This develops your ability to organize thoughts in English.
And speaking fluently for a few minutes at a time is important. You must aim for 3-minute monologues on any topic. It sounds long, but with practice, your brain gets used to producing English continuously.
Listening, speaking, and writing are connected. You must repeat words you learned in month 1 and 2, use complex sentences from month 2, and apply them in real communication.
You must also stay consistent. Even if you feel tired or busy, 20 minutes of practice is better than nothing. But ideally, daily practice in all areas is key.
You must push yourself to speak naturally even with mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. You must embrace them and keep going.
And you must use English in daily life. Change your phone to English, read articles, watch shows, and talk to friends in English. You must immerse yourself as much as possible.
One useful tip is to record yourself doing a role play or debate. Listen to it and notice which words, sentences, or expressions you can improve. This helps you prepare for real-life conversations.
And you must also practice describing your thoughts while doing tasks. For example, cooking, cleaning, or shopping. You can narrate what you are doing in English.
You must also challenge yourself socially. Ask questions in English in stores, cafes, or online forums. These small real-life interactions build confidence and fluency.
And thinking ahead is important. You must imagine yourself speaking English in December, having conversations with foreigners, understanding movies, and expressing ideas naturally. This mental image motivates you to keep practicing.
And weekly reviews are crucial. You must look at your recordings, diary entries, and conversations. Notice what improved, what mistakes you repeated, and what you need to focus on next week.
By the end of month 3, you must be able to speak confidently for several minutes, participate in debates, and express your ideas clearly without pausing to translate.
You must also feel comfortable making mistakes. If you say a word wrong or use the wrong tense, it is okay. That shows you are actively trying and learning.
And listeners, this is the moment you start to speak naturally. Month 3 is not about studying alone. You must use English in real life as much as possible.
You must keep a balance too. Hard work is essential, but you must also relax, enjoy your friends, and laugh. A happy brain learns faster.
And if you follow this 3-month plan, from the first month building foundations to the second month improving fluency, and now applying skills in real-life situations, you must feel proud of your progress.
Yes, you will look back and say, wow, I did it. I can communicate in English now. That is an amazing feeling.
And we want to hear from you. Please comment below and tell us what you did this month, what challenges you faced, and what you are proud of. Sharing your experience helps others too.
And please, if this episode motivated you, give us a like and subscribe to Chill English channel. Join our study family and share this episode with friends who want to learn English.
Remember, consistency, courage, and active practice are the keys. Even small steps every day add up to big results.
Yes, never stop practicing. Speak every day, listen actively, write your thoughts, and immerse yourself in English.
And that is our 3-month English learning plan, from building foundations, expanding skills, to real-life application.
Yes, we are cheering for you. We believe in you. You can do this.
Let's make this year the year of English. Study hard, but have fun, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Bye.